on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, and happy Monday. Right? I'm not gonna lie, this was a pretty fast weekend, at least for me. But guys, good morning and welcome to the live trading. Welcome to Monday's live trading. Hopefully, we can get some good price action today. So far, it's looking pretty decent. I do have to say it looks pretty decent. We have some pretty good levels to work around, and all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, here let me go ahead and start up the live trading here, for the premium, so we can get that going. I'm gonna start in like 30 seconds. But what's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? So far, setup wise, we're looking pretty good. We just need more volume. We've been trading around this 490-ish range for a few minutes. Maybe like what, like 15 minutes, I would say. Yeah, like 15 minutes around there. So let's see what we have to work around there. I'm about to see the game plan right now. I'm sure you guys can see the setup. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the live trading right now and go from there. Hold on, I'm going to start this up. There you go. All right, let's see. Wait for some more people to join. 50 people. Bet. Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on? All right, let's get this started. All right. What's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. All right. So I have some sort of a game plan in mind, but nothing yet. Nothing crazy yet. Nothing crazy. Okay, let me make sure I'm live trading or live. Okay, there you go. But yeah, guys, alright, here's what I'm watching. Right? So, you guys know that in the commentary channel, I went ahead and put out that we were looking at we were waiting to see a reaction off of 20,460, which was Asia. Was it Asia? No, it was London highs. Right? We have London highs right here around this 460 range, and we've of course took it out right off open, right? I mean, in probably like one candle, I'm pretty sure, right? Like, yeah, in one candle. So we took that out, right? And it was, for us to get some sort of a bias, but not a complete bias. So throughout this entire 30 minutes where you guys have been trading, you guys have been talking in the chat and all that stuff, I've been waiting for the market to do its own thing, and see if it wants to go higher or if it wants to go lower. So far, it seems like buyers they seem to be getting weaker. So I'm leaning more towards a bearish trend, but it's not confirmed yet, right? Because of course we don't have a sweep, we don't have any inverses, we don't have anything, right? So what was I waiting to see? Well, there's two things. Either you guys obviously see buyers are still in kind of intact, right? But they do seem like they are getting weaker by the second. I mean, you guys see it. We had a bunch of buying. It was wick, and now we can't break above this 500 range, right? At least by the time I'm speaking. I don't know if we're gonna break out right now. Who knows, right? But if we do end up breaking out, here's what we're gonna watch, right? My bias, honestly, it's gonna be more bearish than bullish, because I was thinking about going longs into 530, but the risk reward is not really there. I mean, if we were to go longs now, by the time we get a setup and by the time we get the retracement and by the time we get anything, the amount of like points that we're looking to make out of this, it's maximum 30 points, which the risk reward is not there. We have to risk barely anything, right? So we're not going to be looking for longs, right? Unless we can go higher, which we probably could, but it depends how we react off this level, right? So here's what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're either going to wait for a sweep to go into 460, which could take some time because the volume right now is not the best, or what will be better to do is on the 5-minute time frame, what we could do is we can get a very, very nice spike, which I don't know if it's going to happen since the volume is a little bit slow, but what could happen is we get a nice spike into 530, right? We take out liquidity at Asia highs up here, right? We take out liquidity and we simply just sweep this level, right? Depending on the setup, if we get a setup on the way up, right, we can easily inverse that, target this fair value gap, and target 343, which is the level that I'm mainly looking out for, right? If the bias is bearish, I really do think we could see let me see. All right. I really do believe we can see a 343 by the end of the day, because that's really the only level that we have liquidity to the downside. I mean, there's not much more we can really look for. But yeah, no, price has been playing around this 490 to 500 range. All right, we're getting the breakout here, right? So this is exactly what we want to see, right? Remember, guys, what we want to see here is a nice spike up. Well, the thing is, this candle closes in 1 minute. That's the problem. So setup wise, I don't know if we're gonna get a setup around this range, at least for now. But I do want to see a sweep off of 530 instead of us seeing a sweep below 460, right? Because we just have more of a reading off of 530, and we have more of a reason to have a bearish bias off of 530. So hopefully we can get a nice push up in 1 minute. So we can take this Asia high out, right? Because the more liquidity we take out to the upside, the less interested buyers are going to be over time to the upside, right? So that's what we're waiting on. Hey, what's up, Brian? What's going on, YouTube? What's up, guys? So yeah, that's what we're reading on so far. But bias wise, I know you guys might be saying, oh, why you looking for a bearish bias even though the market's going up? It's just my reading, right? It's just what I want to see. So if we get that, I can give you guys a really nice setup. If not, then who knows what can come up. But that all comes with time. Now, on the other hand, right? So far, I'm focusing more on the 15-minute time frame, just so I can get an easier reading. So if you guys are questioning why am I on the 15-minute, it's just so I can show you guys a complete chart with all the levels and all stuff. Now, speaking of levels, right? Since so far we're still talking about the game plan, there's no setup, we're still waiting on it and all that stuff. I want to go ahead here. Let me open up the chat for you guys real quick. All right, there you go. Did you see the bullish? Oh yeah, I'll talk about that in a second. Anyways, guys. Now going on over to ES. I know we never really traded ES, but we have a really nice reading, giving us more of an idea of a bias. If we have room to go higher and all that stuff. Now, me personally with ES, I do believe we have room to go higher. Obviously, you guys can see the chart. We have room into 906. Why do I have 906 marked out? Well, obviously we created a double top at 915. We went down, we created a small bearish trend since it was an overnight trend. It was a pretty weak one, as per usual, right? We created a nice pullback at 906, and we dumped even lower into drawing liquidity at 886? Yeah, 886, right? Then we took out 886, we formed a liquidity sweep, and now the trend is bullish going back into 906. So what could happen? Well, if we got an MSS from 886 and we shoot straight up into 906, what we can go ahead and do is take a liquidity and go right back down into around 883, right? But of course, me personally, with NQ and ES at the same time, I do believe we have just a tiny bit more room to go higher. Not enough for us to take a trade off of it, but just enough for us to get more of a bias out of it. We take out liquidity at 530, and we take out liquidity at 906, and then we can expect more of a sweep to the downside, right? Let me see. Yod Blaster just joined. Let me guess. Sweep Asia highs. Yep, exactly, bro. Yep, that's exactly what we're looking for. But we're still waiting for this 530 breakout, which we're right there. I mean, we're about to take out Asia high, but I want to see. We might as well take out 529. You know what I mean? We still haven't inversed the 5-minute from last week. I think we're in it. Yeah, we're still in that. Yeah. Surprisingly, we're still in that. Let me mark this out. Let me just mark out this high because I don't want to fill up the chart with ugly stuff. It's gonna look like this. Hold on. Damn, I gotta zoom out like big time. Okay, we took out liquidity, right? Yep, we just took it out. Beautiful. Hold on. Let me mark out this for Valley Gap real quick, guys. Give me 1 second. So it should look like. Mark it up right there. There you go. Okay. So now we finally took out liquidity, and then we created a fair value gap. We might have just created a fair value gap. Of course, we have to hold it up. But I think this fair value gap is about 30 points, if I'm not mistaken. Well, 40 points. Okay, yeah. So I would want to see us hold above this level just for a little bit, so we create this very nice 5-minute fair value gap. Now, my opinion, like I said, yes, it's not taking out 906, so we have a little bit more room to go higher, just a bit more. Of course, I do believe NQ is leading ES a lot more, so obviously NQ is a stronger one, so NQ is going to see a lot more buying than ES is, but we still have some more room on NQ to go higher, so we should see a spike up in a few seconds, I believe, to take out 906, right? But yeah, let me see. Can you explain the difference between breakout structure and MSS? MSS is a trend flip, bro. It's not a breakout. Breakout structure is more of a breakout type of concept, and MSS is just the trend flipping. It's my first day with you, bro. Hey, bro, welcome. What's up? But yeah. Let's see. So far, we are holding up. I want to see us hold around this 530 range so we can form a very nice setup. And then off of that, of course, we can get a very nice setup. I said that, right? I think I said that. But yeah, all right, we created the fair value gap. Now all we need is, of course, to hope and pray that this holds above. And then the next candle also holds the fair value gap. Hey, what's up, Zay? What's going on, my man? What's up? Come on, we need to hold this for value. We have 1 minute into this candle. We need to hold above 530. We need to hold above 530 so we can get the perfect setup. Because we already took out liquidity, so we have all the reason in a row to actually start expecting some selling, right? But we can't go into the sells if we don't have a setup. So just for a little bit, I really hope we can hold up. Come on, yes, give us one more push up here. I really hope we can hold up above this level for just 1 minute. So we can create that fair value gap. Once we do, we can get a very, very nice setup. If not, then we're gonna have to wait for a bearish fair value gap to be formed, and then we wait for a retracement into it. I'm really, really hoping that we can push up here. What time frames do you trade? 5 and 15 minute. I had a paper trade before market open with your strategy today. First time trying it. Hey, bro, good shit, bro. Good shit. That's what I like to hear. Does the profit during the eval eligible for a payout? No, it's evaluation phase. No, it's not eligible. Why are you using the 30 minute? I am not using the 30 minute, bro. I'm on the 5 minute. You can see it up here. But yeah, guys, so far I don't think we're gonna hold up this fair value gap unless we get a random spike in 10 seconds. But if not, I mean, it's totally fine. All we have to do is obviously just wait for a, another sell off, right? And then we can obviously get another setup from there. But off this, I mean, let's get one more push up. Nah, nothing. I mean, honestly, for an inverse, I mean, well, we will have to see how this sells off. For an inverse, we have a very small space. I doubt it's gonna hold. I really doubt it. But we could probably work around this. We can really work around this for a risky entry. You guys know lately we've been getting some risky entries, but hey, we'll take it. Let me see. Oh, on ES. Oh, on ES. This is just so I can show you guys the levels. Because if I go on the 5 minute, it's gonna look like a whole mess. I have to zoom out, and you guys can't see anything. So if I go on the higher time frame, it's just so I can show you guys the levels that we have over here. But yeah, so far, guys, what I'm gonna look for right here, guys, is I'm gonna consider taking some shorts. Not yet, but I'm gonna consider looking at shorts off of this 5 minute, just because, like I said, I want to be bearish off of the sweep from 529, depending on how we hold it, of course. Now, if we take this fair value gap, why am I seeing it? It's risky. Well, obviously, you guys can see that this fair value gap is right next to this drawn liquidity. So by the time we inverse this, we won't have enough confirmation to know if it's actually a MSS or just a sell-off, right? So it's a really risky one, but I'll consider taking it. Do I think we're gonna take it? Honestly, not really. I don't have high hopes in this setup really holding up. I do have high hopes in it playing out, but I don't have high hopes in this holding up in the 3 minutes that we have to hold up this fair value gap. Just because we're taking out liquidity already, and this candle, it seems like it wants to sell off. It's just waiting on it. I don't think it's gonna hold up. If it does, it'll be amazing, but I really, really doubt it. I really doubt it. Let me see. Worried about the 15 minute, but you don't have to worry about it. It's really far away. It's really far away. By the time we get, if we get this inverse, bro, we have about 40 points to get PT1. You know what I mean? So you don't have to worry about it. You're fine, bro. You will live. You will live. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna look for right here, guys. Not gonna lie, I might want one more push up here just so we can get more of a reading. If we do form the MSS, we get more breathing room to get the confirmation to actually go down. But so far, nothing that I'm really liking yet. Nothing that I'm really liking so far. But I do want to see 3. I know it seems crazy because, with the volume right now, it's a little bit like, it's alright, It's there, but I don't know if it's going to hold up, bro. Because I know we're going to go down. I know we're going to go down. It's just the setup. It's just not there. If anything, we can take this 15 minute, but it's so far that it's going to take all morning to get down here. If anything. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna consider taking this in first. I know it's super risky, but I'll talk about the Apex rules after, bro. Right now we're focused more on the setup. The Apex rules is not the end of the world. It's just one change. You guys will be fine. I read over them. It's really not a big deal. If anything, it's helping you guys not blow your accounts, because I know a lot of you guys like to oversize and lose more than you guys should be risking. Yeah, exactly. I agree with Zay. If anything, it's helping you guys out more than anything. So you guys have nothing to complain about with the Apex rules. But let's see if we hold this up. I really don't think we're going to hold this up, like I said. Plus, even if we do, this fair value gap's already out of the drain. But it's fine. It's fine. Right? Because now, well, obviously, we can't take this fair value gap. But what we could do here is, now that we're getting the confirmation for the MSS, right, and the sweep off of 529, right, what we could do is we could create a massive selling candle right here from the fair value gap, take an inverse, or not an inverse, take a retracement off there, or if the market wants to sell off extremely hard, we can go ahead and inverse this 15 minute right down here and get a bit of a better entry, I would say, to the downside. Either or, we still have the setup no matter what, because we already have a confirmed setup right here. But of course, I would want to take a higher entry up here so we can get, a bit more profits, a bit more points there. Where should profit target number 1 be at? I don't have anything crazy right now, because I will need to see where the setup is. Depending on where the setup is, I will either target this fair value gap or just these mini pullbacks down here on the 5 minute time frame. But yeah, I'm still waiting on it. We have the setup, but I'm still waiting. We gotta wait for a little bit more to form. Yeah, I agree, but Mosey, look, if you know what you're doing, what's it called? If you know what you're doing and you're profitable, well, it should not be an issue. If anything, it's helping you guys out because it's having you make a buffer in your account so you don't blow it. But yeah, it could be an excuse for that, but I mean, yeah, guys, I'll explain the new Apex rules after this trade. If we get the setup. But is it hard 40%? Yeah, yeah. They change it from 30% to 40% for the consistency rule. So now you can probably make like 900 on the day, something like that. So far, nothing. We're still playing around. We're still below this 529 level. But what I would want to see here is for us. Okay, the reason. Okay, here it is. The reason why we worked up right here, guys, is because ES wanted to go ahead and take out the liquidity at 906, which we just took up by like perfectly actually. Wow. Okay. So with us taking out that liquidity, we have all the reason in the world to start looking for some downside. Now, when are we gonna get it? That part I don't know. It should be soon. It really should be soon. We just need to see more sellers step up, like how we did in this candle. I don't know why this candle didn't hold up. Well, I do know because of obviously because of ES. But I want to go ahead and play around this range right here at 529. We can go a little bit above. It's fine as long as we get the selling to come in right after. We should be good for a setup for some downside. But we're still waiting on that. We're still waiting on that. So yeah. Can you make 1K now? Yeah, probably. Let me see. Maybe we can get an inverse regular off this new 15-minute. Do we have a 15-minute? We do. I don't know. I don't know how actually this one isn't horrible. It's not the best either, but it's definitely not horrible. I'll consider it. I'll consider it. Right now, we're still getting more of a breakout, so we're still waiting to see if we can get a sweep off of 530. If not, we can easily see 594. Which, if we do, I'll probably just look for some longs into 594. But right now I'm still kind of developing the bias. I need to see if the market wants to sweep. I need to see what the market is trying to do right here. Right? Keep in mind, guys, we're still inside of this 5-minute bearish rally gap. So, like I said, there's a million stuff that we still have to wait for confirmation. We're waiting on right now. And then once I'm able to get a very very clear reading, I will know what the market wants to do, and then of course we can take a trade into it and make some money for Monday. But right now, let me see if we're even creating a fair value gap. We need 10 more points into this one because if anything, I would want to. I don't know, because you could inverse this one, but this fair value gap is so old that I don't know if the inverse would even work. You know. But yeah, no, you could definitely take that. The thing is, the risk reward is not even there either. You're looking to take an inverse for 20 points. Like what is that for? You know. But we'll see. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe this candle could reject back down and a sweep 529 confirmed this time, and see what we do from there. But we have a very very massive SMT here because NQ is breaking highs like no other, and ES is just kind of just sitting there. I mean, it's going up, but nothing crazy crazy. But let's see. The main thing we're focusing on right here, guys, is we just want to see a sweep below 530, which we're like 15 points away. It's not the biggest deal in the world, you know. We can still go below it, but that's what I want to see now. If we continue to break highs, that's gonna be a big problem because then the sweep is not gonna be as strong. You know, we would need to sweep around this or the next candle to actually go down. Now, if we want to go higher and create a fair value gap right here, we can easily look for a retracement into this candle, right? That's if we hold up the fair value gap and just take it into 594. Thing is, we have 49 seconds to create a 40-point candle, which, you know, with this type of volume, you know, with buyers kind of struggling a little bit, they're getting weaker and weaker by the candle. I don't know if we're really gonna create it, right? Especially with us having 1 minute to this candle, you know. It might sound like 9 points is a crazy amount, but who knows? Who knows? We're still waiting on that. But if we do create a fair value gap right here, I'll probably look to take longs into 594 and just, you know, just take it from there. Because obviously, I mean, the trend is extremely bullish, hindsight. So we could probably continue with the trend instead of looking for a sweep off of 529 since we can't hold it, and go from there. So yeah. Let's see. Do we have anything to retrace into right here? I really doubt it. Yeah, 31 points. Still nothing crazy like catching my eye. So I'm still gonna stick to this. For now at least, I'm still gonna stick to this. This sweep if we can get it. Wait. All-time highs is up here actually. Nah, I don't know if we're gonna see. The thing is, SMT between NQ and ES is insane, guys. Like ES is like once if NQ could sell off and ES would just die. It would just dump down like crazy. Because sellers are waiting for NQ to fall before they make ES go down. So I'm still waiting on that. What's SMT? SMT is just one thing is doing the opposite of the other. Like if NQ is bullish, ES, you know, and ES is bearish, that's an SMT. If ES is bullish, you get the idea. It's just one is opposite from the other. What is David trading? I have M and Q. Yeah, I do M and Q. I do M and Q as well. But we're still waiting on this. Wait, let me see what ES is doing. Wait, we might be getting an S&T flip here. Could we? It's kind of it's starting to line up a little bit, so we can start expecting some downside soon. I'm still, like I said, I'm still looking bearish, because you know buyers are just not pumping this up like how they were a few minutes ago. And like I do believe sellers can take control pretty soon off the 530 sweep. But we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully we can create a fair value gap on the way down here. Obviously not in this candle. I really doubt we get anything in this candle unless we break this low, which is not too far. But with the volume right now, I know this is a 15-minute. I'm not really focused too much on that. I want to focus more on the 5-minute instead. So instead of left man, yeah, we actually are. Yeah, we are. We are. The thing is, with the fair value gap being so old, of course, it's not going to be as respected anymore. But it could still actually reject from it, which would be beautiful. But would I take an inverse off of it? No, I would just use it more for a what's it called, of a bias. You know what I mean? But guys, right now sellers are trying to break below this 529 range, which is what we want to see now. Of course, I don't think we're gonna create any setup off of this one. But if we get another selling candle, we can really form a fair value gap off of the next one. Right, so that's what we're hoping for. You have value 5-minute fair value gap from October 15th at 10:10. I think you're talking about this one, right? October 15th. Oh, this is really low. If it is, bro, I mean, whatever is on the 15th, bro, we've already taken it out. Yeah, whatever's here, we've already taken it out here. But I guess, oh, we're getting a nice selling here. Guys, this is the sweep that we want to start looking for. Now, of course, we could be selling off now, and the next candle could be a pumping candle. But what we want to see here is another selling candle, of course, to get the confirmation that we're actually holding below it. Once we can manage to get that selling confirmation, we should be good for some shorts. Bro, your daily is delayed? No, it's not, bro. It's just YouTube is delayed, bro. By 2 minutes. There you go. ES selling off. Yeah, I mean, we knew that because, of course, the SMT is there. Like I said, if NQ sells off, ES will sell off probably even harder. So that's what we're waiting on. I mean, we have. Okay, wait. Let me see how many points this candle is. If we get like a 20 in the 50 seconds that this candle has, if we get one more like 15 to 20 point sell off, I would consider taking this fair value gap setup as a trade. If not, I would just wait for the next one to possibly form a fair value gap and we go from there. Thing is, I would rather have this one because of course it'll be an earlier entry and you know it'll just make our lives so much easier. But yeah, we'll see. We have 30 seconds into this candle. But if not, like I said, I really doubt we get anything here. As long as we get this, we hold the selling down, we should be pretty good. But yeah, looking for ES shorts or NQ. NQ. It's usually always NQ. All right, now this next candle, what we need here is a very strong sell-off. I don't care how strong we sell off, as long as we get one sell-off here, we should be good to go for a nice setup. But the thing is, if we dump 40 points, the one thing that's really gonna hold us down is gonna be this 50-minute, which I don't know how much we should be worried about it. You know what I mean? But who knows? But yeah, what we need to see here is a nice 40-point sell-off into like the 480-ish range in 5 minutes, in order for us to get a very nice setup. If we don't get that, then we can still take the 15-minute inverse, which would be just as good. We're just gonna get a lot of later entry because we have to dump down about 80-ish points, right? Which you know could take some time. But we'll see. Hopefully we get a fair value up to form right here. Who knows? We should. We actually should. But we'll see the volume. Where do you get the 572 line? Oh, this is just this line right here is just like, okay. So the fair value is here, right? Thing is, with this massive rectangle in my screen, it's gonna make me lose focus. So what I do is I just mark out the top, which is the only thing that really matters here, just so I can have an indicator of where the high is for this fair value gap, right? So with this line, I know what's the top, right? Because I don't like having too much stuff in the chart because I'll get distracted and I can't really focus too much. I like to have clean charts and all that stuff. So that's what I'm waiting, or that's why I have it, right? So it's not any level or anything. It's just just a fair value gap. But so far we are still holding below this. I don't know if we're gonna create a fair value gap anytime soon. But if worst comes to worst, guys, we're gonna have to wait a little bit and wait. Let me see something. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait like a little bit and just wait for an inverse off this 15-minute, which, like I said, it's far, but it's still playable, right? Because we really have nothing stopping us other than this fair value gap until 343, which, like I said, it's what I'm personally expecting by the end of the day, right? Who knows if we get it? We need a lot of volume to come in, but if we do get it, we would have it pretty much marked out. But yeah, in my opinion, the only thing holding us down from going any lower is this 15-minute fair value gap. We don't have anything on the 5-minute. We don't have any drawn liquidity. We have nothing. It's only green candles up to here. But yeah, only problem is just the momentum is a little bit, iffy. Hey bro, are you gonna alert if it plays out? Yeah, I will. Don't worry, I will. Well, we'll see. We still have 15 minutes into this candle. We've only sold off like 13 points, which is not what we want to see. We want to see sellers really picking up. But who knows? Maybe in the next candle it'll be there. Oh, or it could be now. So far we sold off about 20, not even 18 points only. Panel, we're still playing around this level. Let me see. Doesn't matter. Wait, what? ES just broke the London low. Yeah, I mean, nothing really matters right now for ES until we see these lows right here. We really have nothing. If anything, I would consider taking ES shorts, but I'm just not even gonna bother. Like I really would. I really would. But you guys don't understand the amount of times we've gotten such a nice setup on ES and it barely does anything for us. That I mean, ES is selling off. It really is. Thing is that, like I said, it's SMT. I told you guys, if I mean yeah, if NQ sells off, ES will sell off 2 times as hard. Which is something that we knew obviously with the SMT. With the DOL sweep and all that stuff, we knew it was gonna happen. It's just the setup so far. It's just not looking the best. In the 5 minute at least, it's not looking too promising. So if anything, like I said, worst comes to worst, we're gonna have to take the inverse off of 430 on this 15 minute, which could take some time because we are pretty far away from it. We're about 80 points away, which could take some time before we get an entry. I mean, unless we get a massive selling candle, which is what we would want, it might just take some time. Maybe a few minutes. I know, not a few minutes, maybe like 20, 30, maybe even an hour. Who knows? But hey, that's the name of the game. We gotta stay patient and wait for the sub to come up, and then we should be good for an entry. But if we do, guys, if we do get this entry off the 15 minute, we're looking at about a 83 point trade, which is not bad at all. That's if we get the selling. 83 points right here, guys. And then below that, of course, we have some more levels which we can obviously target, a little bit more. But the main PT will be at 343. Now, we just need this inverse. We need a nice selling candle. ES wants us to go lower. ES definitely wants to go low. But so far, nothing. I don't see anything stopping us until 883. Maybe there's a 15-minute fair value gap that could stop us, but I don't know. David, I heard Apex is trying to stop those get the account. Stop those who get the first payout. Then, I don't know too much about that. Like I said, I gotta read into it. I haven't really been focused on that at all. No news Monday. Oh yeah, obviously. Yeah, guys. Matter of fact, we don't have news kind of all week, so we're gonna have to rely heavily on price action. We need investors to be really interested. You think we can sell off all the way into 276? I don't know about 276. I do believe in 343 though. By the end of the day, we could definitely see that if the trend is bearish. But so far, I mean, it's kind of... I mean, to you guys, it might seem like a big sell-off, but if you really measure the candle, it's nothing crazy. I mean, we're waking back up as well, so... We're gonna have to see. Like I said, we just gotta give the market some time here. We know that the trend is bearish already. Like, we know it's gonna go down. It's just when, But why? Okay, the big reason behind that is, okay, the reason people blow their account after they get the first payout is because with Apex they have this rule that once you guys make your first, I don't know why people do it so early, but when you guys make your first $25,000, you keep 100% of the payout. Then it starts splitting 90 to 10, which might not sound like much, right? Like, sure, you might keep 900 of the 1,000 that you make, but it adds up when you guys are copy trading 10, 20, 40 accounts, right? You're giving away a lot of money, right? So what people do is they just blow their account and just reset that cycle to keep getting the 100% payout, right? So yeah, so you guys know TopStep, they have a 50-50 split, right? So you can only request 50% of what you make, at least for the first 30 days. But Apex, on the other hand, they don't have it for the first 30 days. They have it for the first $25,000 that you guys make, right? No, it's per account. So what they do is, once they get the first payout, to reset that cycle, which I don't know why they do in the first payout. Usually it's done in like the second, third payout. What they do is they just blow their account with the payout that they made. They just buy more, right? So it's a never-ending cycle, and it's kind of breaking the system in a way. They're working on 24-hour payout. Bro, who knows, man? That'd be amazing. Is that good or bad? It's whatever, really. It's not the end of the world with it. But in the last update, said they're moving people over to a live, so they can. Yeah, that's the thing. So Apex back then, they said that they offered live accounts, but Apex has never really offered live accounts. Like, there's no one I know out there that's like the most consistent with Apex and all that stuff. No one has really ever gotten transferred to a live account. So it's good to see that now Apex is starting to do more live accounts, like TopStep. Now, what's the difference between a PA and a live account? You're just making money for Apex, kind of. You're just trading on a real account and making the money. But I think there's probably an advantage to payouts and all that stuff because it's actual real money. But I don't know too much about it. I've never really done my research on it because, like I said, Apex never used to do live accounts. So why would I do my research on it? In live, can we still trade 20 accounts? I mean, it's the live account is just one account. You can't really copy trade one live account. But you could definitely copy trade the PA accounts as well. You could just buy more. Okay, guys, are we looking to inverse? I mean, yeah, it's on the chart, bro. Yep. How do you edit your stop loss to look like that on TradingView? This is not a stop loss. This is not an entry point. It's just something so you guys can actually like determine where I'm entering from. It's like a box so you guys can see where I want to enter and set my stop loss. But this is not in order. You guys see how I can move it around? The way you guys do this is pretty easy. You just click on this, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth one. Double click it, click short position, and then you just do it how you want. But you're not gonna get filled off of this or anything. It's just so you guys can see where I enter from and all that good stuff. Guys, I know, guys, a million times. I'll summarize it later in the live. Later in the live. Yo, good stuff, Ben. Yo, should I take that inverse? I'm up 500. Honestly, bro, for a Monday, you can call it. I mean, the price right now, it's a little like the momentum is not like price is decent, at best. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you guys want to summarize, guys, there's literally a YouTube video that Apex made themselves about the rules. I don't know too much about it because I haven't even read over them all that much. There's a website that on Apex, it's they explain all the rules, guys. It's pretty simple. And if anything, just watch the YouTube video that they made. They explain it like to the complete detail. So if I miss something or I miss explain something, you guys can just watch that. How can you request? Because you're not requesting it from the account. They're sending you the money themselves. The account is demo because they don't literally trust you with $50,000. That's not gonna happen. No one in the world, matter of fact, will give you $50,000 for $30. You know what I mean? So if you beat the account, I guess you could say, and you get the payout, they'll just send you the money themselves. But guys, we're still playing on this 490 range. Price is it's decent. Like I said, it's decent at best. Hopefully we can get another set off here. Here, let me write this commentary, guys, because I did promise you guys that I was gonna write commentary. Give me a second, guys. Looking at the 15-minute time frame. Wait, looking at the 15-minute time frame, the bus above our bias is now bearish, going into this 15-minute bullish rally gap. Now with this 15-minute, with this rally gap, well, we're looking for since IQ and MSS is we're simply just looking for an inverse and targeting the above low. There it is. Bet. So yeah, let me go ahead and write this out real quick. Hopefully we can really sell off a bit harder. I don't want to see us bouncing off this 15 minute, because if we do, that's gonna call for a nice PM session. Because by the time we get a reaction back down, it's gonna take 3 years with this volume. So okay, so we're getting the nice sell off here. Yep, we're getting a nice sell off. Very, very nice sell off, which is what we expected. So far our readings are just really nice. Alright, let me start writing this alert so I don't, take too long and miss the entry. But yeah, we're getting a very nice sell off. All we need to do is dump down 20 more points and we should be good for an entry. Hold on, let me write I need to slow down just a little bit. .20. And the final price target would be, oh shit, oh my, okay guys, hold on. Guys, this selling is really strong. Hold on, let me look for an entry. Guys, hold on. This selling is so fucking strong. What is this? Hold up. Bro, I freaked out for a second. Thank God it's holding above for a second. Hold on. What the? Guys, I'm not in yet. Don't worry. I'm not in. I'll let you guys know when I'm in. But I don't know what that was. I do not know what that was, but I'm just getting everything. Let me make sure I have all the price targets written correctly. If you do get shorts, 3, and okay, let me go ahead and put this down a little bit right here, just like that. Okay, but let me delete all this nonsense. That happened really quick. I was not expecting that. But yeah, I still don't have an entry because we didn't even hold below. It was just a fast wick down. And ES has not even taken out liquidity yet, so we still have room to go lower. Thing is let's see if we can even hold this. Hopefully we don't chop out through it, because then we're gonna be really screwed for a setup. Unless we have something on the 5 minute, which we actually do. I mean, oh wow. Okay, well. Wait, actually, I didn't even notice that the 5 minute had something. If anything, I might do the 5 minute over the 15 minute, because the 15 minute already inversed. So I'm gonna, for now at least, I'm gonna pan my thing over to the 5 minute. I didn't even notice about this. What? Oh, that's crazy. Let me see. I mean, let's see if this even holds up. This has 3 minutes into it. I don't even know why we're pumping up. This shouldn't even be happening, because it's 15-minute inverse. This should not be happening. I mean, we could get a pullback into this 5 minute, but I don't know how I feel about it. I really don't know how I feel about it. There's so much to do, guys. The setups today, the price is decent, but the setups today have been pretty good. I mean, we have a 15 minute to worry about. We also have a 5 minute as well. So let's see. Let's see what we could do here. I'm not gonna lie, the 5 minute looks a little bit better than the 15 minute. Let's see if we can hold this up for 2 more minutes, or down at least. Hold this down. If we could, this could be a very nice entry, because you guys know I like the 5 minute a lot more than the 15 minute, and ES wants to go lower. Look at this. ES is just waiting on NQ to just sell off into 883. Like I said, guys, remember, if NQ sells off, ES will just sell off 10 times harder, or at least 2 times harder. But we could definitely get a very nice setup off this. We'll have the same price targets and everything, but this is what I'm looking for. Let's see. If worse comes to worse, we could definitely get an entry off this inverse right here, which I'm gonna mark out just in case, because I might take it. You know, if we have to get a whatever entry, then we could definitely do it off this. But if we want to get the best of the best of the best entry, it would have to be around this fair value gap. But if we dump down even like super hard, then I would just look to take an entry off this down here. but we do have the bearish bias. So that we got that part correct since market open, right? We knew that the market was gonna sell off, although it was pumping up like crazy. We knew about that part, so we were right on that. All we need now is a setup to just pay us. So we can either take. Let me write this down just in case. We can either take this inverse, or we can take a retracement, which would be so much better if we can get that retracement. Because the thing is, this 15-minute already inversed. I don't know if we're going to hold below it or not, which it doesn't seem like we are. We could. If we do, I'll enter off that, but there's so much stuff to focus on here. And then the stop loss will be an issue here, a big issue, because if we inverse this and we shoot back up into this 5-minute fair value gap, we're going to be a little bit screwed here. You know what I mean? Let me focus more on this one, on the inverse first. I really want to take the 5-minute, but the 15-minute looks like it wants to inverse a little bit better. It really does look like it wants to inverse. I kind of want to look for an entry around here, guys. I really want to. It's going to be a risky one because of the 5-minute. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and take shorts here. I'm going to take shorts here, guys. I'm in shorts. I really like this. I just like this too much. If worse comes to worse, I would just look to take it. I would just look to take another entry off this because I really like this. So far, we're up nice. We're up really nice, actually. Oh my! Look at that, guys. Guys, I'm gonna take some trims off here. Oh my god! Let's go! Fuck yeah, bro! Let's go, guys. Trim some off here. I trimmed some off at what was it? 485. Guys, I trimmed some off. No one should be red. No one should have gotten a late entry, guys. No one should have gotten a late entry, but what an entry point there, guys. What an entry point. 45 points. Wow, guys. Hey, hold on. No one should be red. No one should have gotten a late entry at all. Like, if you did, you guys have to be faster than that. What a nice sell off, guys. Let me know if you guys caught that. Hold on, me put this out here. Let me know if you guys caught that sell off. Wow, that was beautiful. I trimmed a very, very heavy amount there off that sell off. I was more than happy with it, guys. I was in full size and I was up 45 points. I'll take it. I'll take it any day of the week, guys. Wow, that was beautiful. No one should. Hold on. Let me ask the chat real quick, guys. How are you guys sitting off that? Did you guys oh my, someone just made $3,000 off that. No one should be red off that. No one should be red. Or no one should no one should even be slow with that. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of 300s. I'm seeing a lot of thousands. Wow, guys. Nice. Quick 400, 800. Nice, guys. Nice. I'm seeing all you guys got out fully. My biggest day, I'm out. Nice. Guys, if we waited for that 5-minute, we would have been a little bit screwed there. We can still retrace into that 5-minute. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Re-entry. Look, LC, if you're gonna re-enter, do it off this 5-minute. I would rather do it off this 5-minute. I'd rather do that. But guys, right now I'm in mostly runners right here. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This sell-off, it was a 2-second sell-off. Out 400, we'll take it, bro. We'll take it. Trim 7 out of 10 plus 1K. Beautiful. Hey, if you want, you can move it a little bit more to like the thing. Literally yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wow, and I caught that on stream as well. Guys, you guys are already adding me in the wins channel. Bro, you guys are crazy, man. That was a beautiful catch. It was a quick one too. Really quick one. ES took the low. Oh, that makes sense. Yep, that's something that we might have to worry about. Because NQ could struggle to go lower because since ES, remember guys, the SMT. ES had a bearish SMT. What should I get? I got 425. 425. I'm assuming you guys probably got like a 420ish range entry. What did you guys enter from? Wasn't short since 521. 521. Wait, what? Damn. 429, 425. Okay, so I'm seeing some of you guys got the same entry as me, if not better. Nice, 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 nice. 413, 419. 413, that's a little bit late. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's a bit late there. But I'm seeing a lot of you guys are in at 420, 419. Bet. So, what are the odds of it hitting PT1? It's slim. I'm gonna say, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Although I want this to go down, obviously, because I want to make money, we gotta watch out here. Why am I saying we gotta watch out? Because of this sweep. Could we go lower? Yes, we have room to go lower. Obviously, yeah, we do. But if we take out 883, which it seems like it wants to go lower, who knows? Who knows? But with this massive sweep right here off of the Asia low or London low, yeah, London low, we could really sweep that and go up. That's the problem. Because remember, ES had the bearish SMT. So but that was a. Can I enter now? No, bro. No. What? Why would you enter now when we've all taken profits? No, 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 no. But come on, bro. Be smart. Be smart. If anything, guys, worst comes to worst, I get stopped out on these runners. I'll still. No one should be red. Like if you guys are holding, let me see, fully out, biggest day yet. Beautiful, guys. If you guys are green and you guys are fully out of the trade, go post those win channel that in the win channel, guys. This was a fast trade. This was how many? This was a 2 minute trade, bro. Bro, would you look for a rejection or an inversion off the 5 minute? I'm not gonna lie. On NQ, if we're talking NQ, I would want to see if we even retrace into it. We could keep going lower. If we retrace into it, I'm not gonna lie, I would want a rejection off of it. I'm not saying that because I'm biased. Obviously, I'm in short and all that stuff. Too fast? No, bro. It was not too fast, bro. Everyone caught it, bro. Come on now. We entered like price paused for a second and then it sold off. Bro, I don't even know if YouTube has sold off yet. Guys, how are you guys doing? Pass my Evo with that trade, bro. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Nice, guys. Nice, nice. Do you go live on your Discord? Yeah. I mean, what's your Discord? I mean, so I can see if you have the premium. Because you're saying that if you have it and you're not seeing it, there might be, you might have not just claimed the role. That shit wasn't. Make sure, bro, Jojo. Make sure you're putting market. Because your order should get filled instantly. Remember, you're simulated. When did I get filled? I got filled at 425. Some people got filled at 429, 419, around that range. But yeah, it's on the entry, JSA. But that was nice. Now, like I said, guys, what I would want to see is this fair value. I mean, I would want to see a rejection of this fair value gap. But even if we do see that rejection, I would get stopped out on my runners. So I don't know about that one. Like I said, I really do believe we're gonna go higher here. Unfortunately, like I would want my runners to pay a little bit more, but if with ES sweeping London lows, it's probably gonna stop us out big time. But I'm seeing most of you guys are probably already out fully on the trade, so I guess it doesn't matter to most of you guys. But for my poor runners, I don't know how those are gonna get respected. But we'll see. We'll see. Let me see. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of I'm outs. Inverse, okay, that's the problem. You could, but here's the problem that I'm talking, right? ES swept, right? ES is trying to go up off the sweep, but look, hear me out. Where my alerts are, they are, oh my. No one got the, don't worry, no one got the alert off that. So you're good. Bro, you guys should have told me, bro. I completely forgot to turn it off. But it's alright. It's alright. Here, let me private that real quick. The thing is, I didn't add everyone, so literally no one saw that. Okay, bro, you guys should have told me, bro. Down 300. How the hell are you down, bro? What? How are you down? Late entry. How late are you talking? Even if you got a 400, you should still Nah, but you guys are trolling, bro. You guys are trolling. I'm being for real, like, bro, like. I literally have it all recorded. Price was stuck. Price was literally stuck at where we entered for a good minute. And then it dumped down. He held out? Yeah, I guess. I guess. But that's the thing. Like, I literally told you guys, there's no way you guys should have gotten a late entry because price was literally stuck there. Price was literally stuck at where we entered for like a good 10 seconds. And then it dumped down. But yeah. That shit was crazy? Yeah, it was. It was. For the people that caught it, at least. How do I look at my profits and losses? B32, just, okay, on TradeAvay at the top. Oh, by the way, Crystal, the trade's not even done yet. If you got it late, the thing is, that's a problem. With your late entry, I don't know where your stop loss is. But for me, it hasn't been tagged yet. But anyways, okay. So what you're gonna do if you guys want to see your profit and loss, just click on at the top left, click on the massive plus button, then go ahead and click on Performance Center. It's to say something with performance. Drag that over to your tabs up here on TradingView or TradeAvay, and then it should show you everything. Could have cashed out 1,000, but only took 300. Hey, bro, green is green, bro. We'll take it. Fuck it. I was in full size. I managed to get 600 out of that. I was in full size because I usually don't hold full size until 40 points, but that sell-off was really, really strong. Bro, good shit, bro. 600 on the day. Nice, bro. Nice. Guys, thanks for the day. See you tomorrow. Hey, bro, I'll see you tomorrow, bro. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Guys, before you guys go, if you guys, are green, happy with your green, guys, go post those wins in the wins channel, guys. Go flood that channel. Go flood that channel. But today was, for a Monday, we read the market. Guys, we read the market. Time for Starbucks. Oh, my God. Guys, for a Monday, we read the market perfectly. Like, we read everything to perfection. We read the sweep perfectly. We read the setup perfectly. Wow, today was really, really good, especially for a Monday with no news. Let me see. How do you trim? Oh, here. Okay. Let me send you over the video on how you trim. Here you go, bro. Guys, before you guys get in trades, make sure you guys know how to trim, because that's one of my main models. I like to take profits on the way down. Now, do I still think we can go? Okay, matter of fact, let me ask you guys. How many of you guys are holding runners with me right now? How do I look at previous trades? Under the Performance Center. It'll all be there. Let me see. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are completely out with that sell-off. Well, someone's holding 2 micros. I got stopped out by a tick. Holding. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of you guys are out. So I'm seeing a lot of you guys are in runners. Now, don't get back in, bro. Do not get FOMO and get back in. Remember, bro, you're running a big risk with this sweep off of ES. ES wants to go up. ES really wants to go up. Now, we're probably going to consolidate around this range, but we're probably going to consolidate into our stop loss. So I don't know how that's gonna go. NQ wants to go lower, but ES wants to go higher. Now we need to see which one is leading going into lunch hour. That's the problem. That's something I can't really tell you guys until we really see it. But in my opinion, guys, these runners, as biased as I want to be, these runners a little, like I promise you guys, a little bit, like with capital T's, a little bit cooked, right? Because the only thing that's really worrying me right now, guys, is this sweep right here on ES, because ES was the leading one, to the downside. Now that it took out liquidity, if it doesn't have strength to go any lower, NQ might struggle to go lower into 343. That's the problem. That's the problem. So that's why I made sure to take out most contracts, although we were up like 45 points. Wait, yeah. That's the thing there. So we gotta be a little bit careful with this trade. Make sure you guys are in runners. Make sure you guys, are risking what you guys want to risk with these runners. Personally, I don't even care about these runners. So yeah. How should I size with my drawdown? I made 0.5 RR. Wait, what? How should I size? How'd you make a 0.5 RR? How fast did you sell, bro? I need another trade, bro. Come on now, man. That trade was literally spot on, bro. Like, I was literally counting it because I'm like, okay, so far we're still holding the same level, and then we sell off, like, going back to bed before work. Hey, go, bro. Have a good one, bro. Have a good one. This is bothering me, bro. Sometimes I wish I could just control all of you guys' trades all in one click, bro. I really wish, because it's something so simple, you know what I mean? Like, bro, the entry was probably the easiest. For such a fast trade, the entry was super easy to get. And I'm seeing some of you guys are didn't trim some like. I understand that you trimmed too fast because exactly. But bro, I sometimes I wish I could just just control all of you guys' account all at once, because this trade was so easy. But I know like 95% of you guys are green, maybe more, maybe more. Yeah, no, I said it. I think I said it right. I think I did. But nonetheless, guys, this was an amazing trade, amazing reading, amazing trade, amazing everything. But so far, guys, I mean, these runners are still holding up. I mean, hey, who knows? This thing can still go down. Who knows? I mean, we can only hope for, you know. Yeah, man, I'm enjoying the rest of the Monday. Yeah, bro, amazing way to start the week, man. Amazing way to start the week, especially with us having no news today. Wow, it's been amazing. The readings today have been really good. If anything, I trimmed too fast at 20 points after a few weeks of chop. My bro, I don't even blame you, bro. I don't blame you. Can we look to inverse a 5 minute? Okay, you're running a big risk there. Cause look, NQ has not taken out any liquidity to the downside, so it technically still has room to go lower, right? But on the other hand, ES wants to go higher. Thing is if you want to look to inverse this 5 minute, you need more confirmation on the ticker itself, right? Because ES could help you so much, right? But you literally need more confirmation on NQ itself, right? So far, we have not swept any levels of liquidity anywhere around this range, right? So if you want to inverse this, you really could, but you're running a little bit of a risk because we haven't really gotten the signal that, you know. Let me see. For the people who didn't take it, can we use the 5 minute fair value gap to use? Oh, actually, yeah. If anything, guys, I would use this fair value gap right here if you guys missed the entry to possibly look. The thing is, you're running a big risk. Remember, you guys could look for a retracement here into down here, but the risk is that if you're getting the retracement into this fair value gap above, you're looking to risk it because yes, on the other hand, if we're going up into that fair value gap, we might just be forming an MSS to go right back up into DOL above up here. So you're kind of sandwiched here. It's literally a hit or miss with that fair value gap. Yes, there's a 5 minute fair value gap up there too. Does it? I won't say so. I won't say so. I mean, the fair value gaps on ES, they're not the strongest. They're not the strongest. I'm not gonna lie. They're really not the strongest. If anything, there's no fair value gap anywhere. I mean, we have this candle, which should have been a fair value gap, but there's no gap anywhere, right? These 2 wicks are correlating with each other, right? On top of that, this candle is mostly filled. This candle has no gap. This candle mostly filled. This candle mostly filled, or it's a little bit up. You know what I mean? There's no fair value gap anywhere on ES. Now, maybe there's one on the 50 minute. Yeah, there's probably one on the 50 minute, but we'll see. So far, ES is trying to hold below 883, which might be a good sign for the runners, but we can only hope. I mean, look at the strength. Look at the strength difference here, right? ES wants to go lower, NQ is kind of just holding. Bearded, if I were you, bro, I would say do it off TraderVate. It's a lot easier, bro. It's a lot easier. Am I cooked? What should I do with the size? Do like 5 micros, bro. Guys, wait, hold up. Guys, these runners are back to paying. Okay, hold up. Am I cooked? With that, bro, I would do like 4 to 5 micros. David, are you looking to expand your server and recruit callers? For the meantime, no. Maybe in the future. Maybe in the future. You know, once I'm like kind of done with trading a little bit, or just like slowing down with trading, I'll look to get other people. But it will have to be people I really trust. It's not gonna be like just anyone because you're consistent. But that's a topic for another day. You know what I mean? It's not something that I'm planning to do right now. Nor am I planning to quit anytime soon. Bro, how you down, bro? Like, I don't get it, bro. I really wish I could just control everyone's account all in one click. You know, if only there's a way that was allowed. You know, I mean, I'm sure there's ways out there, but you know, on ES, is it going to go back up now? I mean, I would imagine. Oh wait, ES dumped even harder. I didn't even notice. Shit. Yeah, bro. With ES selling off so hard, bro. NQ, like I said, these runners, like I said, they might be a little bit cooked, bro. I was trying to set the stop loss, bro. The stop loss takes 2 milliseconds to place, bro. That I don't get it, bro. Look, all you have to do is click stop loss. Boom. That's it. You're done. Like I don't get how you guys are missing it. You guys have to be fast, bro. You guys have to be really, really, really fast. The markets are not gonna wait for you guys. Come on. That's what I'm saying. Like exactly. How are some people? How are some people red? You know what I mean? Even I'm confused because I counted it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Because I'm streaming here. Hold on. Let me screen share everything. Peep this, guys. Peep. We entered. Where did we enter? It was the next candle. It was okay right here. Look at this, guys. Count it with me, because you guys, like, I'm not trying to say anything, but you guys have to be faster. Why do you think the corners are cooked? It just everything is sweeping. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know in a second. Why isn't this not loading? Hello? Oh. Hello? Bro, why is it not playing? Hold on. Let me refresh this real quick. Okay, look, guys. Count this with me. Am I still in the trade? Yeah, I'm in runners. The YouTube people win? Yeah, from what I'm seeing, some people did at least. Someone passed their eval with it. But okay, guys, look. So I got my entry around 425, right? I know you guys can't see it. Let me kind of... Yeah, it's a little bit pixelated because it's a little bit small. Here. Okay, look. Peep this, guys. Look. Peep this. It dumped? Did it? We haven't breaking this low yet. Hold on, let me set an alert here. There you go. Okay. Let me see. Hold on. Let me open this tab back up because it kind of glitched. Don't worry, guys. I have an alert set. Wait, let me focus more on this. Let's see if we break this down. Then if only I had runners. If only, bro. Good. Hey, what's up, Grace? Hey, Grace. Did you catch this? Let me know. Let me know if you got this. Let me know if you got this. At least. Exactly. That's the problem as well. I literally gave you guys the setup before we even enter. Like I'm like, guys, if we break below this, I'm gonna enter. We broke below. I gave you guys an entry. It was a good entry. I don't know. Anyways, let's see if this sells off. I mean, yes, wants to go lower. I mean, I'm not really. Although I'm in shorts, I'm not really. By the way, good stuff, Grace. Good stuff. Oh, you're on the live. Damn. Okay. But yeah, guys. I mean, I was not although I'm bearish. I was not really expecting ES to go any lower, but apparently he wants to go lower. Apparently. What's the TP? Right now for us, we're looking at. I might take some more runners off here, off the breakout, off of the 380 range. That's if we get it. But here, let me tap out. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me know if we dump. By the way, guys, I had the chat open. Okay, guys, look at this. Oh, well, I just got the alert. Hold on. Oh. Okay, so we got the alert there, guys. I'm gonna take some trims off here, guys. Just so I can just happily move my stop loss over. Okay, I trimmed. Guys, for those that are in runners, did you guys trim with me? I guess I would say we have room to go lower. I mean a little bit at least, you know. Like one more sell off would be amazing. There it is. Come on, one more. Let's break 370. Late entry for the first trade, made up for it and more in the second. Beautiful. Why are you getting order rejected? You might have blown your account, bro. I'm not sure. Either you're oversizing or you hit the drawdown. Yep. It's going into 359. What's at 359? Yeah, what is that 359? Oh my, there it is, guys. There it is, baby. Let's go. Guys, if you guys haven't already trimmed, we're about to see PT1. I would trim here if I were you guys. I would trim here, guys, if I were you. 75 points. Wow, on a Monday, that is actually surprisingly good. Really fucking good, actually. You guys think we can see PT1? I would say now we can see it. Who knows? Let me make sure. In the meantime, let me start writing the PT1 and getting here. I'm so confident that we're gonna see PT1 that I'm just gonna write it. I'm that confident. Okay. Let's see. Let's get this price target. Come on. Come on. We're right there. We're right there. Come on. Let's get it. 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 Come on. Guys, make sure you guys are trimming most of your contracts down here. And bro, it's crazy to say that. Even I said on stream that I do believe we can see 343 by the end of the day if the trend is bearish. Guys, today's reading was amazing, man. Really, really good. Today's reading was like spot on. Spot on perfect. We read the sweep perfectly. We read the trend. We read the price targets. Wow, today was really good, guys. Really, really good. I'm really happy with today's performance. Although some people messed up, which I'm gonna get to in a second. Today's reading was great. Yeah, no, for sure. Like even I'm surprised. Like today was really, really good. Like we gotta give ourselves that. We read the market perfectly today. I'm pissed I missed the entry, but how? How did you miss it, bro? It was such an easy entry. It was so easy. Like that's what I'm saying, Justin. Like, how, bro? Okay, speaking of entry, right? By the time we see the price target, let's see if we even get it. Let me set an alert here just in case. Okay, peep this, guys. Peep this. Okay, look, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Right? So we entered at 425. Right? Exactly. Look, my thoughts and advice on those who lost. Learn the buttons. Exactly. Just learn the just. Okay, look. Here's why I'm so mad about this. Here's why I'm so mad about this. For the people that missed it or went red. Guys, look at this. Matter of fact, I want you guys to hear this. Let me change the windows. Alright, guys. Listen to this. Listen. Because I want you guys to actually hear this. Look. I kind of want to look for an entry around here, guys. Right? You heard me. I kind of want to look for an entry around here, guys. Right? So that means that you guys should be looking for an entry too if the selling comes in. Can't hear? No way. What? Hold on. You can't hear it? How do you, if you can't hear it? What? No way. Anyways, I said word for word, guys, I'm looking for an entry around here. Right? Okay. Peep this, guys. Wait. Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wait. Let me see if what NQ is doing. Why is it bumping back up? It's not supposed to be doing that. Okay, look, guys. Look. Let me see. Okay, look. I really want to. It's gonna be a risky one because of the 5 minute. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take shorts here. Okay, I just said right here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take shorts here. You guys heard it. Do you guys hear it? Right? I'm gonna go ahead and take shorts here. Now, you guys see price around 419. Let's go ahead and count how much time you guys had exactly. We're already 1 second in, right? So we're gonna count 1 second. Let's see how much time you guys actually had to get an entry. I'm gonna take shorts here, 2 seconds. 3 seconds. I'm gonna take shorts here, guys. 4 seconds. I'm in shorts. 5 seconds. I'm in shorts. 6 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I just like 12, this too much. 13. If worse comes to worse, I would just 15, look to take it. I would just look to take another entry off 17. I really like this. So 18. We're up nice. And then it dumps. We're up really nice. Bro, you guys had about 30 seconds to a minute. 30 seconds, bro. No excuse, bro. You guys see why I'm not letting this slide? Exactly. Bro, you guys had 30 seconds to get the perfect entry, and you guys somehow missed it, man. You see what I mean? You guys had... Wait, runners? Wait, what? Nah, we're good, bro. We're good. Don't worry about it. Bro, you guys had 30 seconds. 30, bro. 30 seconds to get the perfect entry, and you guys somehow still missed it, bro. Or some people. You know what I mean? Like, bro, come on, bro. Something so simple, man. You just have to be fast, bro. Just press the button. He got the receipt. That's what I'm saying, bro. The receipt, exactly, exactly. That's what I'm like, bro. Like, how you read? You know what I mean? Even if you guys got somewhat of a late entry by like 15 to 20 points, you guys could have still made money because we're up like 70 something points. Now, I don't know why this thing is going up. It shouldn't be going up, bro. We're right there, bro. Come on now. We're literally like 7 points away from price target. Well, we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Which chart do you guys trade today? We do MNQZ4, bro. We don't do one. We do N. The ones that we actually trade is MNQZ4. This one. 5 minute fair value. That's why. The thing is, we didn't even hold it. Unless we have one down here. No, nothing. But yeah. So okay, what do I have to do? Oh, bro, I gotta go buy gel, bro, for my hair. I'm changing up my hairstyle. No more curly Dave. I'm gonna be looking more professional. So what I'm gonna do right now after this trade is I'm gonna go to Walmart and go buy gel. Bro, what's the minimum amount I should have in my live account to enter 2 micros? Do 500. 500. Can you explain the new Apex rules? Okay, let's go ahead and talk about that right now. Depending on what this trade does. Okay. Let me see. Can someone send me the link over to the thing? Curly better. Nah, bro. This style, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Even for myself, bro, I feel like I look pretty pretty sexy, bro. So I'm gonna try it out for a little bit. Okay, let me pull this up right here, real quick, guys. Here, let me put this YouTube on my second monitor. WCall, how much money do you usually put into trades? I put about 10 micros. It's not about the money on futures. It's more about the micros. All right, guys. Okay, my phone died exactly during the entry. It didn't have Discord on the computer, but thank God I answered anyways, bro. Okay, by the way, guys, I have yep, we're still on the charts, by the way. Okay, let's talk about these Apex rules, guys. Let's go ahead and cover this real quick so you guys can get more of an understanding on what is going on. Now, keep in mind, most rules, if not 99% of the rules, are good, right? So we're good for Apex, right? Thank you, bless. I'm done for the day. All right, bro. Take it easy, bro. I'll see you tomorrow in the live stream, man. All right. But only trimmed a little on the dump and changed my stop loss to break even. Ah, bro. Okay, that part I get. But the entry part, you know, I really don't get it. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and talk about the rules because a lot of you guys want to see the rules. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and open up the charts on this other screen right here. Just so I can like tab out easily, just left and right. Alright, so I can have it like open right here. You know, so I can just go like this. Alright, and we can also see the price up here, guys. Alright, let's talk about this. Right, so the new Apex rules, where are they at? I mean, guys, the videos are all here. I mean, I don't know why you guys want me to talk about it. All the videos are, yikes, they're pretty long. This guy definitely yaps a little bit, but they're here. They're here. You know, I mean, you know. Okay, where are the rules at? It's just videos here. The only rule that I really care about, guys, is the payout rules. I don't care if it takes me 3 years to get a payout. Guys, no more payout windows, bro. That is the best thing they could have done. Like, it's huge, bro. It's huge. Now you can request a payout even on a Sunday, bro, if you want to. Okay, where are the rules at? I mean, can someone send me the link to the rules? Oh yeah, you blew your account, bro. Unfortunately. Yep. I think, bro, you oversized a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. You might have oversized a little bit, just a tiny bit. This is the best video that summarizes the changes. Where's the video at? Over here. Okay, guys, look. Even Zay, guys, just watch this video. But I do want to read over the rules, though. Yeah, look, Canadian future trader. I mean, he's Canadian, so he should be a nice guy. So, you guys can also watch that. What is the market doing so far? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. But can someone send me the link to the rules? Because I low-key want to read over them. I actually want to, you know, read them for myself. Because I actually, you know, scroll down. I mean, it's just videos here from what I'm seeing. Oh, I'm starving. Wait. Okay, we're still selling off, which is a good sign. We gotta see that price target, man. You know, there's nothing here, guys. Where do you guys find it? Thanks, David. Hope everyone was green today. See y'all tomorrow. Hey, bro, I'll see you tomorrow in the live trading, my man. I'll see y'all in the live trading. Solo, no. Bro, on Discord, there's no delay. There's no 3-minute delay. There's no. I think it's just videos. Oh, okay. They got Apex's Discord. I don't even know where that's at. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hold up. Apex Trader Funding. Uh, bro, I am starving, bro. I literally can't find the rules. Wait, what are we doing? Oh, we're still holding these runners. Okay. Guys, this is a major headache, bro. I'm okay, right here. Let me see. Okay, so it's on Apex. Got it, got it. Let me pull that up. Okay, let me pull this up, guys, real quick. Alright, let's talk about this. Alright. So, change windows, screen. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about these rules. So, the rules. Let me see what the charge is doing. Nothing yet. Bro, I want this shit to hit the price target already, bro. I don't know why we pumped up. But okay, guys. So, let's go ahead and talk about the benefits, the cons, and the compliance. I don't even know what that means, but let's go ahead and see. Right, so obviously the benefits, no more payout windows, which is what I just said, which is a blessing, like the most blessings of the blessings, right? It's amazing. We can finally request whenever we want, you know, so we can make money whenever. We don't have to wait for no stupid window, you know, of the month, whatever. No, we can request whenever. 8 trading days. That's not a major thing. Wait, actually, wait. I didn't even see this part. Okay, so you guys can request a payout every 5 days if you guys make 100 plus profits every single day, which is beautiful. Oh wait, no, wait, only 5 days with. Okay, so you need 5 out of the 8 days with 100 plus profits, which obviously we all make in a breeze, right? So that's done. Okay, so 8 trading days. That's not the biggest deal in the world. Honestly, 2 days is not a huge difference, right? 8 out of the 10. I mean, it's a free 2 days. You know what I mean? So that's good. No more flipping rules. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I do not know what flipping means at all. You know, if you guys want to explain it to me, go for it. I really don't know what flipping is. Whatever it is, I probably don't do it because I haven't gotten any payouts tonight because of the flipping rule. Unlimited DCA allowed, which is not something that we typically do, so it's not a big deal, right? For those that don't know what DCA means, is dollar cost averaging. So what that means is if you guys are in a position and you're currently down on the position, if you guys want to add more to that position, you guys can finally do so, which it's not something we usually do. We usually just size fully off one entry and just pray for the best, you know? So DCAing, not a big deal. 100% withdrawal available from the 6th payout onward. Right, I don't know what it means 100% withdrawal. I think it's whatever you guys make on the account. So, for example, if you guys made $10,000 on the account, you guys can probably make or withdraw everything, which I might do. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Maybe 100K payout soon. Who knows? Who knows? Right? Hold on. I'm using some water because I'm talking a lot. Hold on. What does the chart doing? Nothing crazy. Okay. Now, the best rule out of this is obviously the no more payout windows, which is what we've all wanted. Right now, the cons. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this. Right? So, wait, let me see something real quick. Okay, so the cons. Safety net required. Only profits above the buffer can be requested. So, you guys might think of this as a bad thing. For me, honestly, it's a good thing. Why is it a good thing? Because it's helping you guys not blow your account. Obviously, you guys can have your own thoughts behind it, but hey, in my opinion, as a trader, and as someone that owns a community, I see a lot of you guys blowing up your accounts, being stupid because you guys oversize, you guys don't respect your stop loss, and you blow up your PA. It took you guys maybe a week or two to get it, and you blow it up in 1 day. So what this is doing, you guys might see it as a red flag. Honestly, I see it as a green flag for you guys, right? So what does this mean? You can, like, when you guys request a payout, instead of you guys having nearly no breathing room to the account after you request it, because look, if you guys can request a $2,000 payout from a 50K account at $52,600, meaning that once the payout goes through, you guys will only have $600 or $500 worth of drawdown, right? Obviously, you guys literally risk $500. I know you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I know you guys. You know, I know that you guys will. You know, with the loss, you guys will probably lose about $500 per trade, meaning that you guys will probably blow up the account in 1 trade after the payout, which is obviously not something no one in here wants. So what they're doing here is they want you guys to go ahead and make $52,600, and then you guys have to make another $2,000 to actually request it. I know it's a shit ton of work, but at the same time, you guys gotta look at the bright side, because you're actually not gonna blow up your account once you guys request a payout, right? And all you have to do is just make the money again, and you guys can keep requesting payouts, right? Without having the worry in the back of your head of blowing up your account. So make sure to look at the bright side of things. Honestly, I see this for you guys. Personally, for me, I don't have an issue with it. I'm already above the buffer by a long shot, so I don't really care about this rule. But guys, for me personally, I actually like this rule for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys, I know you guys don't want to hear it, and I know you guys, I don't know how it is, but I know a lot of you guys actually blew up your accounts because of this. So if anything, in my opinion, it's actually a good thing. Although you have to do a little bit more work, it's not the end of the world. You're still gonna get paid out, and you're still gonna make money. If anything, you're gonna make more money out of anything, right? So you're good. Let me see. So now, second rule, risk reward increased to 5-to-1, which obviously we don't trade a 5-to-1. We actually trade a minimum of a 1-to-2 risk reward. So this out of the picture, this rule does not exist to us, right? So next rule, scaling plan. Start small, increase your position size as profit grows. Obviously, everyone should be doing this, right? I tell you guys to do this. I even make videos about sizing light at first, and then moving on. Now, this rule probably won't be this this rule is actually a pro, because there is a consistency rule with contracts. Wait, what is yeah, we're stopping. This rule, honestly, ignore it. It's nothing crazy. It's not something that we really do. Now the consistency rule. Now this one is kind of stupid, right? I don't like this one, right? Now why don't I like this rule? Well, okay, 30%. So that means that for those that don't know, if you guys go over to the Discord, and you guys go over to the premium chat, you guys go over to the pin channels, you guys can go ahead and see the math behind the 30% rule. So if you guys are on a 25k account, the most you guys can make is 480 on a day, right? If you're on a 50k, 780 on the day. Now the thing is, before they weren't so strict about it, meaning that if the trade goes just barely above 780, like you guys make $1,000 on the day, they're gonna go ahead and accept that, right? Now, obviously you guys can't control the market, so if you like for today, for example, we weren't expecting such a big sell-off, but we managed to get a huge sell-off, right? We don't know what's gonna happen, right? So if you guys make just over 780 on the day, you guys have the chance of getting your payout denied for the time being, and then you guys gotta make an extra profit, which they'll go ahead and tell you. But that's dumb. Why do I say it's dumb? Because obviously you guys can't control how fast the market moves. You guys can't, obviously with today, you guys saw some people couldn't even trim in time, right? So with this rule right here, it's a little bit of an issue. Of course, there's fixes to it. What are the fixes? Well, on Tradeovate, there's actually a feature that once your account crosses $780 on the day, it can automatically lock you out of the account, and you guys can't place trades. It'll do all that for you. But that's kind of dumb. I don't see why they're making a hard rule on the 30% rule. If anything, they should have left it as is, right? Because no one had an issue with that. But honestly, we just had to play on the rule. That's a rule that I personally do not agree with. That's actually a stupid rule. I don't like that rule, right? But honestly, I mean, you guys can't really complain. You guys might see this as a. But guys, you guys are making $780 in a day. Think, right? Think, guys, think. You guys are making $700 per account. $780 in a day, in one day, not even a day, in a few minutes, right? So obviously 30% might sound like a lot, but you guys are still making money, right? So look, like I said, always look at the bright side of things. It's all right, right? You guys will live to see another day. If anything, you're gonna be richer than the previous day. You know what I mean? $780, multiply that by 10 accounts, to $7,000 in one day, in a few minutes. Who knows? So look at the bright side of things. All right, guys, come on now, come on, right? Although I don't agree with the rule, it's really not the end of the world. You guys will be a-okay. Alright, next rule. Let's go ahead and find out what the next rule is. Let's see, Apex. Right? Okay, next rule. Unrealized losses. Now, cannot exceed 30% of the total profit. Right? So what does this mean? Well, what this means is you guys can't lose 30% of the account in a day, which, let's go back into the, wait, let me see what the charts are doing. Oh, bro, you guys didn't tell me. Well, you guys probably did. Bro, I wasn't even looking. Bro, what? Hold on, bro. Nah, bro. You guys are. Nah, I'm fucking with you guys. Guys, I don't know if you guys took trims at PT1. We hit it and I didn't even notice. Bro, I wasn't even looking. Man. Hold on, guys. Hold up. Let me put this out real quick. Did anyone trim off that? I'm assuming you guys did. I was here being slow, bro. Okay. Hold on. Bro, I was getting on you guys' asses for being slow, and look at me, bro. Bro. Hold on, let's see if we shoot that back down so I can get these trims off. Hold on, guys. Come on, let's dump down 10 more points. Come on now. Bro, my alert didn't go off, bro. Oh, man. Hold on, let me check. Let me check up on the chat. Let me see how you guys are doing. It never got hit. Well, you guys, I'm sure if you guys have been here for a while, you guys know I trim before it gets hit. It's just the way I am. You know what I mean? I would have trimmed here. I mean, it didn't get hit by literally 1 point. I would have trimmed. Of course, Grace, I got you. I mean, you know, it's not a big deal. It's just to clarify things. Just to clarify things. Let me put this out real quick, guys. I had it pre-written as well, so there you go. Okay, let's keep talking about rules, guys. Now that I'm sure you guys trimmed and all that stuff, let's go ahead and talk about some rules here. Which we've covered most. But okay, this is a big one. The unrealized loss. Now this one, it should be realized. But unrealized, it kind of makes sense, right? So let's go ahead and talk about this. All right, guys. So what does unrealized loss mean? So what they don't want you to do is obviously in a PA account, they're doing everything in their power, well, technically, to help you guys avoid what's it called, blowing up your PA account. Remember, all these rules do not apply to evals. This is only for PA accounts, right? But for PA account, they're trying to avoid you blowing up your account in one sitting, right? So what you guys can't do is lose more than 30% of the account. So same rule applies for the 30% profit goal. Same rule applies for the total loss, right? So you guys can't lose $780 a day in a 50K account, etc. Right? Now this rule, you can look at it in the bright side. In my opinion, it should be I don't know, because TopStep had this rule and no one liked it, including me, which is why a lot of you guys always ask me, hey, why don't you use TopStep? Whole reason being behind it was because of the stupid like what was it, a daily drawdown. That was super dumb. I really hated that rule. But with Apex, I don't know how it's gonna be. I would have to see the rules go into play to see how it actually reacts. But we'll see. Honestly, this rule I probably won't like it all that much. I mean, not that we even lose $700 in a day. Well, at least I don't. I don't know how you guys are. Like I said, I know a lot of you guys like to blow up accounts in one day, which obviously is not how I work. You guys know I limit myself to about $400 losses in a day. So, you know, you can take it how you want it, right? But this one shouldn't really bother me too much because obviously I don't lose this much in a day. So I would say this is trying to help you guys prevent you. It's trying to help you guys to prevent the losses. You know, like blowing up a PA account. So, like I said, you can look at it in a good way, in a bad way, but this rule, it's pretty stupid. The rest, no drastic. I don't know what this means. It's probably nothing crazy. Monitoring. Okay, so faster payouts. We know about this. Lately, if you guys requested a payout lately, you get it in about a day, and maybe in the same day that you requested. Probation policy. I don't know what this means. Offenders. What? I don't know what this is. I don't know what I mean by offenders, but I don't know what this means either. Faster payout approvals. We know this. Zero denials targeted. You guys hear that? Zero denials. Amazing. Defined trading system. I don't know what that means. And that's about it, honestly. So other than that, I don't really see an issue with this all that much. The only thing I like is the no payout rules, bro. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. But yeah, guys. Now let me see. Yeah, I agree with Grace. It's to protect you guys. A lot of you guys might think that, oh, Apex is being greedy with payouts. You guys can look at it like that, I guess. But I mean, they could have bettered those rules. I have to agree. They could have definitely made those rules a lot better and still giving out the same idea. But you guys gotta agree, they are. It's also protecting you guys from blowing up an account at the same time. So at the end of the day, if you guys lose X amount a day, you guys might be like, damn, I could have actually lost more and blown up my account, but you know, it stopped me, right? So that's a good. There's always a positive to things, right? That's how you guys could think of it, like, you know. But at the end of the day, guys, we're here to trade correctly. We're not like the gamblers and all that stuff. We're here to trade correctly, and I'll make sure that you guys get the payouts no matter what rules we have in our face, right? So at the end of the day, guys, you guys really have nothing to worry about. At the same time, we're also getting faster payouts, which is a blessing. So just look at it in the bright side, guys. I got you guys. Don't worry about it. I actually have you guys, right? But is it still minimum $2,000 to request a pay? Yeah, that's the same. Yeah, that's the same. How much do you do on one account today? I did 660 to be exact. 660. So a buffer for 25k would be, yeah, above. So yeah, you have to hit 26,500, and then you guys have to make like another 1k to get the payout. But at the same time, guys, look at the bright side. Once you get the payout, you have another 1.5k of breathing room, so you can still get another payout without risking you blowing up your account in one trade. Look at it in the bright side, guys. Trust me. Look at it in the bright side. Trust me. I'm gonna make sure you guys get the payout. That's literally my job. I've gotten hundreds of you guys payouts, right? And I'm sure I can get you guys more with these rules in our face, right? So don't even worry about it. I got you guys. Don't worry about it. I have passed 2 evals and I'm on my way to a payout. Look, Grace, slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race, alright? Don't oversize, respect your rules and everything, and you should be able to get the payout. I got you. Why didn't we enter when it first broke 430? Because we were waiting more on some selling. I mean, it was a 5-point difference. You know, I entered at 425, 430. Who cares? It's a 5-point difference, you know? Yeah, trying to rush. Exactly, bro. Look at it in the long run, bro. Like, a little $2,000. I mean, bro, if you could do it one time, you could do it again, you know? Bro, TopSpeed has the same thing. It's good risk management. Exactly. These rules, guys, is to stop you guys from doing everything in one day. That's not how trading is. You guys have to do it slow and steady. It's how you win, guys. Come on now. Think here. Come on. It's common sense. Make sure you guys always look at the bright side of things. It's really just getting past the $2,600 point, then making it again sounds like shit. But look, at the same time, bro, look, if you could do it once, you could do it again, and at the same time, bro, that's still profit. Look, after the 6th payout, which I'm sure you guys can do if you guys could do it one time, you can request all that money again, so it's still your money. It's just on hold. Think of it like that. It's all about perspective. Exactly, bro. Exactly. 5 accounts passed, bro. Good shit, bro. Go. By the way, guys, let me check the win channel. Let me go and peep. Oof, 9 pings already, bro. Damn, 34, bro. You guys are crazy, man. Let's get it. $800 on the day. Damn, nice. Guys, good stuff, guys. Good stuff today. Really nice readings today. We caught literally the whole move down. Or, not really. But we caught the move down. Let's say that. But, yeah, guys, amazing day today. Let me check how my boys are doing real quick. Let me check the group chat real quick. Let me see. I sent the, here. Let me see. Okay, NQ Pink. I went ahead and gave you the premium rules. You should be good to go now. Let me see. Bro, not that ass PA is fired today. Oh, okay. So it looks like my friends are making bank today as well. So we weren't the only ones that made money today, guys. It seems like. That's fire, bro. So yeah, PA today for a Monday, guys. It's been pretty good. And guys, by the way, every single day I'm counting the days. We're getting closer and closer and closer to election day, guys. Oof. I'm hyped, bro. I'm really hyped. Last weekend I'm up 400. I think I'll pass the eval this week. Bro, let's get it, bro. Work day by day, bro. Day by day, bro. Come on now. Day by day. I am calling for the day. GG say, hey, bro, Pringles, take it easy, my man. Take it easy. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm probably going to get off too. Because I have to go run some errands. I have to go buy some stuff. And yeah, you know. The earlier I do it, the less traffic there is outside. Are we doing PM? Nah, bro, we're done for the day, bro. We made our money. Bro, gotta get his gel. Yeah, bro. Come on now. I mean, bro, it's a new hairstyle, you know? Thanks for everything, Bless. I'm gonna head to the dog park. Of course, I got you. I'll see you tomorrow. If anything, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live, alright? Another great live. Yes, sir, bro. Gotta hear you. Exactly. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a live trading for today. By the way, guys, if you guys are holding your runners, guys, the price targets are right here. Let me go ahead and send this over just in case, so you guys know what to target. Here it is, guys. Use this as your price targets if you guys are still holding. Alright, guys. But yeah, alright, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Alright, guys. Peace out. Peace. Alright, guys. And for the people on YouTube, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and join the premium, guys, matter of fact, I have a 50% off still going on. If you guys are interested in joining, really simple. Go over to click the first link in the description, which you guys can find right here, this first link. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take you over to my store page, which, you know, obviously it has all the reviews. It has everything that I do live. And if you guys want to go ahead and join with the 50% off, you guys can use either this code or this code, right? And it will go ahead and apply. If you guys want to go ahead and screenshot it or join the Discord server, it's all in the description, guys, all right? But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and join with 50% off, it's really simple. Go ahead and click on the monthly. It could be 1 month or 3 months, depending on what you guys want to do. Click get access, right? And once you guys do that, just type code 40, and it will apply 40% off any upgrade. Now, if you guys want the 50% off, go over to the lifetime. My bad. Go over to Blaster's lifetime. Click get access. and go ahead and type code 50. When you guys type code 50, it will go ahead and apply the $250 discount. I had a burp there, my bad. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and join the premium, get access to the live trading with no delay, get access to all my alerts, which obviously you guys can all see right here. You know, with the price targets, trims, and everything all here. You guys can go out, and of course the commentary. How can we forget about that, right? You guys can go ahead and join the premium and get access to everything all here. All right, guys. But yeah, I'll see you. If anything, I'll see you guys in the live trading tomorrow at 10 a.m. EST. All right, guys. Peace out. Take it easy. Enjoy your day. Don't overtrade. We're already green. Remember. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading. All right, guys. Peace out. Take it easy, guys.